Miracles don't happen in contradiction to nature, but only to that which is known to the nature. This is a proverb said by the Saint Augustine. Energy is defined as a capacity of doing work. We are not talking about in terms of the energy like ergs or joules, but we talking about the energy which is in the flowers, the energy which is in the plants, the energy which is in the mountains, the energy which is in the rocks, the energy which is in the five elements. The seeds also has energy which enables to sprout out due to its inherent energy. There are two types of energy for the nature. That's what we call yin and yang, the positive and the negative energy, the constructive energy or the destructive energy. These two energies exist in the universe, and one who has a poise balance between the positive and the negative energy becomes a saint. The positive energy really makes the seed to sprout, starting from the miracles, okay, and from the microcosm to the macrocosm. Everything is related to the energy, okay. Microbes to the blue whales all have the energy. Sentient and the non-sentient all have the energy. The planets move on its own. The galaxies change on its own. All have energy. The energy is utilized for this rotation. Okay, the energy is a universal energy. It is available in the space. Destructive energy prevails also in the universe, which don't allow the seed to sprout and the human to prosper. The worms, the bacteria, the virus do the destructive work. Now we are referring to some harmful energies in Vastu in form of radiations that are emanating from the earth and the cosmos. This energies works on the structures, matter and humans, animals, sentient and insentient. This is the bioenergy fields. So now when we building biology, energy, when we are referring to it, our building is not a place of dwelling, but it's like an layer of skin connecting us with the energies of the outer world. Our building is just another layer of skin connecting us with the energies of the outer world. People live in either partially or full time, but it provides security, protects our belongings. Further, it is a form of the geometrical figure, buildings. It is the buildings should provide good health, good support in attaining prosperity. Buildings must help us physically, mentally, spiritually. Then the prosperity attains. We should have the proper financial support to sustain, making us free from the external troubles and guaranteeing peace to the dwellers. Isn't it? Human life and building biology means to say that we have many objects around us which can be compared to the life or the living cells in our body, having an enormous impact with our body chemicals and physical aspects of the matter. This cannot be seen with the naked eye, but can be experienced with time, like the good and the bad effects of them. Similarly, a building is not simply a structure, it has an energy, it has a prana. It must have the support of the following factors like good environment, materials that is used in the construction like rock, wood, any kind of stuff, articles that are placed in it, the mutual acceptance with the universe. This is called compatibility. So Vastu gives a compatibility with the universe. This is Geo Biology. The existing Earth's magnetic field, gravity, sunlight are helping out our biology with the geological structures underneath the buildings, consisting the harmful mineral, giving harmful radiations, fractures, faults, and the presence of water channels, conscious bones in the rocky structures which affects the residents directly or indirectly. From these radiations, this comes the negative energy. It can be called as a negative aura energy, whatever you say, but it can be clashed with your energy body. It means it can affect your cell energy. Incurable diseases can occur. So, why it happens? Because due to the blockages of energy in the cell and the functions, the disease starts. The remains of the dead and the bodies, sometimes believed by some as conscious, may influence the human bioenergetic fields, causing some psychic problems. So the occurrence of unpredictable, uneventful deaths, murders brings total turmoil in the peace of the residents. So be careful while choosing the house. Okay, so building biology, okay, is very much important. You need to promote the use of healthy building principles as a means for the better living working place, relating to the heart of the occupants. Primarily, it is a study of the pattern of the house, building, and its contents. Such environments can produce negative or positive based upon the environment that you are in. Some unnatural structural irregularities, broken items, metallic items, electrical gadgets, okay, used for the decorative purpose may give infrared radiation. The negative energies may result in unidentified nausea, headache, and allergies. So the roles of energies in Vastu Shastra is very much eminent. So be careful. Building biology. Thank you. Bye. Take care.